Hello and welcome to the Living Well with Pain Yoga Workshop. This is week 1. Today I'll be introducing you to the chair-based practice. So start by drawing your attention to your breath. Your feet are grounded on the floor. Spread all 5 toes and place them one by one back down on the floor, starting with the little toe, moving all the way down to the big toe. Draw your attention to your belly, to the softness of the diaphragm. Draw the air in through the nose, all the way down into the base of the lungs, filling your lungs all the way to the top. And slowly let that air pass all the way back out again. And throughout your practice, draw your attention to your breath like an anchor, holding you steady in the present moment. Inhaling in through the nose to the count of 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. And out for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. As you inhale, lifting your gaze up towards the sky, holding, and exhale, tipping the head back down to gaze towards the floor. Inhaling back to center, turning to look over your right shoulder on the exhale, holding for a moment, and inhale back to center. Exhale to left, hold for a moment, and inhale back to center. Exhale, bring the right ear down to the right shoulder, opening up the muscles on the left side of your neck. Inhale to center. Exhale, the left ear down to the left shoulder, opening up the muscles on the right side of the shoulder. Inhale to center, holding for a moment. Inhale. Exhale. On the next inhale, draw the shoulders up to the ears, all the way back towards the spine. And on the exhale, drawing the shoulders back down and forwards. Inhale them up and back, and exhale them down and forwards. And now bringing the arms into the movement as you reach the arms up towards the sky, lengthening up through the spine, and exhale all the way back down towards the floor. Inhale, reaching the hands up towards the sky, lengthening through the spine, gaze towards the fingertips, and on the exhale, reaching down towards the right hand side, opening up through the left side of your ribcage. Inhale back to center. Exhale down to the left side, opening up the muscles on the right side of your ribcage. Inhale back to center, and exhale the arms all the way back down towards your thighs. Draw your attention to the breath. The belly is soft. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. And on the exhale, turning to place both hands on the right side of your thigh. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, and at the end of the exhale, just drawing your attention to the rotation in your spine. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, softening into the twist. Take a deep inhale. And on the exhale, naturally returning back to the center. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale over to the left side of your leg. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, soften into the twist a little deeper towards the left-hand side. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, soften into the twist. Take a deep inhale. Exhale all the way back to the center. Resting for a moment, drawing your attention back to the belly, to the softness of the diaphragm, allowing both lungs to fill deeply with air. Inhale your right heel onto the top of the left thigh or onto the left shin. The aim here is to draw a little outward rotation into the right hip, planting the left foot through the floor. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, folding forwards over the right thigh. Surrendering to gravity, using the breath to soften down into the stretch. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, soften down over the right leg. On the inhale, drawing the knee up towards the chest, opening up through the hip. Exhale, place the right heel down towards the floor. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, softening over the right thigh. So we're not aiming to grab the foot. We're allowing gravity to do its work, softening down over the right leg. Hold here for a few breaths as you inhale, lengthen, and exhale, soften down over the leg. Inhale, draw all the way back up, placing the right heel back on the floor. Inhale the left heel on top of the right thigh, opening up through the left hip. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, fold over the left leg. Once again, drawing the attention to the breath. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, folding over the left hip. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to soften. As you inhale, drawing all the way back up into a seated position, bringing the left knee towards the chest. Exhale, place the left heel down onto the floor, lengthening through the back of the knee. As you inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, softening over the left thigh. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to soften. Holding here for a breath or two. As you inhale, drawing all the way back up into a seated position with your feet planted on the floor. Opening up through the chest, shining the heart up towards the sky. And as you exhale, diving forwards, bringing the chest down towards the thighs and allowing the crown to hang heavy down towards the floor. Hold here for a breath or two. And as you inhale, segment by segment, vertebra by vertebra, draw yourself up into a seated position. And here closes week 1.